9,000 Italian RPMs?
Welcome back, everyone. I'm sorry for the wind noise, but we are back at Rapid Ride, and we are checking out Nick's new Ferrari 458 that he just straight piped, so I'm betting it's going to sound amazing. We're going to get some video and some pictures of that in just a second. So let's go check inside what they got, and that McLaren's still there, so we're back again.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, boss?
What's up, cars, please?
This vet is beautiful. Look at that. And we'll take another look at this McLaren. This lens is so great because I can stand so close to the car and still get all the car in frame. This thing is sick.
The windshield is done. Windshield, the roof glass is done, the rear portion glass is done. Of course, you know, the mirrors and everything's done.
What material is it?
It's S-Tech matte, well, Dyno matte. I was gonna say matte paint protection film, but technically it's S-Tech Dyno matte, which is their matte version of paint protection film. So
Okay.
basically just
I gotcha.
Really pretty though.
Super sick.
The allure of the metallic underneath on matte just looks so good out in the sun.
Oh yeah,
It really
I bet.
doesn't have justice inside, you know?
Yeah, for sure. And you did mirror caps in carbon as well?
No, mirror caps are done in gloss clear paint protection film.
Oh wow,
Yeah, so.
it's gorgeous. That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty good.
Italian RPMs?
Sounds insane.
It sounds
I was not ready for that.
fucking sex on wheels, bro.
Bro, I'm saying right now, I was not ready for that shit.
I haven't even done the decibels on it yet.
And you're gonna sell it?
I mean, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know anymore, dude.
Oh, I have a twin turbo R8 coming back from tuning right now.
Who knows?
I don't know, man.
Boys and his toys.
It's hard.
Oh, that sounds real good.
Yeah, she sounds.
And did y'all do that just now, or?
We did it yesterday.
Nice.
So yeah, it looks really, really cool.
Absolutely worth it.
My buddy Erwin did the fabrication, and then we got it installed and everything. So yeah, it looks really, really good, man. Sounds really, really good.
Damn.
It's back to factory Neuronautics metallic.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, I mean, of course, I got to do a couple of other little things to it and stuff, but that's about it. Just get it cleaned up.
For sure.
The wrap did its job, protected it, got to drive it, whatever. So probably gonna put some clear bra on it and a Novatech stripe kit.
Oh yeah, that'd be sick. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications, and let us know down in the comments what you want to see next at Rapid Ride and Cars Please.